Imagine a place so remote, so isolated that the nearest humans are astronauts orbiting hundreds of miles above. A place where the vastness of the ocean stretches endlessly, and the horizon seems to merge with the sky. This is Point Nemo, the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, a point in the vast Pacific Ocean officially recognized as the farthest point from any landmass on Earth. It lies over 1,450 nautical miles from the nearest land, making it the most isolated spot on the planet. It's a place of profound isolation, a watery desert, where the echoes of civilization fade into the abyss. The ocean depths here are largely unexplored, a mysterious realm that holds secrets yet to be discovered. Point Nemo is a testament to the sheer scale of our planet, a humbling reminder of the immense power and mystery that the ocean holds. The vastness of the sea here is both awe-inspiring and intimidating, a true frontier of the natural world. It's a place that has captured the imagination of explorers, scientists, and dreamers alike, a symbol of the unknown and the untamed. Researchers venture here to study the unique marine life and the ocean's depths, hoping to uncover new knowledge about our planet. This is the story of Point Nemo, the loneliest place on Earth. A place where solitude reigns supreme and the vast expanse of the ocean serves as a reminder of the Earth's incredible and often overlooked beauty. Point Nemo isn't an island, a reef, or even a particularly remarkable patch of water. It's not a place you can visit and find a bustling port or a scenic beach. Instead, it's a concept, a point defined by its sheer distance from any land. It's a geographical coordinate, a point in the ocean calculated to be the farthest from any land in any direction. This point is located in the South Pacific Ocean, and it represents the most remote location on Earth. To reach this point of ultimate isolation, you would need to journey over 1,600 miles from the nearest land masses, a journey that would take days by ship or hours by plane, traversing vast stretches of open water. Ducie Island, part of the Pitcairn Islands to the north, a tiny uninhabited atoll that is rarely visited by humans. Motu Nui, one of the Easter Islands to the northeast, known for its mysterious moai statues and rich cultural history. And Maher Island, part of Antarctica, to the south, a frozen, desolate landscape that is inhospitable to most forms of life. This extreme remoteness means that Point Nemo is a place of profound silence. It's a place where the usual sounds of human activity are completely absent. The sounds of ships, planes, and even the whisper of the wind are absent here. It's a place where you can truly experience the vastness and solitude of the ocean. The only sounds are the lapping of waves against the surface and the calls of creatures that inhabit the depths. It's a reminder of the untouched, pristine nature of our planet's oceans, a place where the natural world reigns supreme. Point Nemo wasn't discovered by an intrepid explorer braving the high seas. Instead, it was discovered in 1992 by a Croatian-Canadian survey engineer named Hrvoje Lukatela. Lukatela used a computer program called DIST to calculate the point on Earth's surface that was farthest from any landmass. His program took into account the Earth's ellipsoidal shape and the precise coordinates of coastlines around the world. The result was Point Nemo, a point located at 48 degrees 52.6 minutes south, 123 degrees 23.6 minutes west. Lukatela never actually visited Point Nemo, but his discovery gave a name and location to this unique and isolated point on our planet. Point Nemo's isolation has made it the subject of many myths and legends. Some say it's a haven for mythical sea creatures, while others believe it's a gateway to another dimension. One of the more grounded yet still fascinating truths about Point Nemo is its designation as a spacecraft cemetery. When satellites and space stations reach the end of their operational life, they need to be brought back down to Earth in a controlled manner. Because of Point Nemo's remoteness, space agencies have chosen this area as the safest place to dispose of these large pieces of space debris. Over the years, hundreds of spacecraft, including the Russian Mir space station, have met their fiery end in the waters above Point Nemo. Section 5. Life in the Deep Blue Void. While Point Nemo may seem like a barren wasteland, it's actually home to a surprising array of marine life. The waters around Point Nemo are incredibly clear and nutrient-poor, making it a challenging environment for most marine species. However, some creatures have adapted to thrive in this seemingly inhospitable environment. Among the creatures that call Point Nemo home are giant squid, deep-sea anglerfish, vampire squid, and Dumbo octopuses. These creatures have adapted to survive in the cold, dark depths, relying on bioluminescence, unique feeding strategies, and other adaptations to thrive in this extreme environment. Section 6. Point Nemo, a barometer for the planet's health. Point Nemo's remoteness makes it an ideal location for scientists to study the impact of human activities on the ocean. Because it's so far from any landmass, Point Nemo is relatively untouched by pollution from industrial activities, agricultural runoff, and coastal development. Scientists can use Point Nemo as a baseline to compare the health of other parts of the ocean. By studying the water chemistry, marine life, and levels of pollutants at Point Nemo, scientists can gain a better understanding of how human activities are impacting the ocean as a whole. Section 7. Point Nemo in our imagination. Point Nemo's isolation and mystique have captured the imagination of writers, artists, and filmmakers. It has been featured in novels, movies, and video games, often serving as a setting for stories of adventure, mystery, and horror. In Jules Verne's classic novel 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, Captain Nemo's Nautilus passes through the area that would later become known as Point Nemo. More recently, Point Nemo has been featured in the horror film The Trench and the video game Subnautica, further cementing its place in popular culture as a place of both wonder and terror. Section 8. The Allure of the Unknown. Point Nemo, despite its desolation, holds a strange allure. It's a place that reminds us of the vastness of our planet and the mysteries that still lie hidden beneath the waves. It's a place that challenges our perceptions of life and the limits of our own existence. Perhaps it's the very act of imagining such a place, so far removed from our everyday lives, that draws us to Point Nemo. It's a reminder that there are still places on Earth where nature reigns supreme, where the echoes of civilization are but a distant whisper. Section 9. Conclusion: a blue mystery. Point Nemo, the loneliest place on Earth, is a paradox. Located in the heart of the South Pacific Ocean, it is the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, the farthest point from any land. It's a place of emptiness and isolation, yet it teems with life and scientific significance. Despite its remoteness, the waters around Point Nemo are home to a surprising variety of marine life, from tiny plankton to majestic whales. It's a place that inspires both awe and fear, a testament to the power and mystery of the natural world. The vast, unending horizon and the dramatic waves crashing against the unseen depths evoke a sense of wonder and respect for the ocean's might. As we continue to explore our planet and push the boundaries of human understanding, Point Nemo will undoubtedly continue to capture our imaginations. Explorers and scientists alike are drawn to its enigmatic allure, seeking to uncover its secrets. It's a reminder that there is still so much we don't know about our planet, and that the greatest discoveries may lie in the most unexpected of places. The ongoing research and exploration efforts at Point Nemo highlight the endless possibilities that the ocean holds. Point Nemo, a point in the vast Pacific Ocean, stands as a symbol of the unknown, a blue mystery waiting to be unraveled. It challenges us to look beyond the familiar and venture into the depths of the unknown, where the true wonders of our world await discovery.